All right. Hey, everyone. How are you this evening? Welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin with your host, Vays, coming to you live from an airport. Oh, I gotta pause that. And I figure I might as well kill the time and do one more price update before a nice overnight flight heading out to the UK. All right. I am desperately waiting for my upgrade into business class. Like I'm trying to use points to get into business class. And if there are seats available in business, I will get it. And they just take my points because it would like suck to be in economy on this long flight. And there are still empty seats in business, and I am next on the list. It's like, yeah, like you can see it right there. Like I don't want to dox my flight, but okay, maybe I can't do that. Can I do it? You can see it right there, like Vays. Oh, right there at number one. So like two people in front of me already got the upgrades, and I'm next on the list. I was third on the list. It just didn't work. Still waiting on it. I don't know why my camera doesn't like focus when you put something really close to it.
Final boarding announcer, flight number 4525, Service State College at gate C111. Passengers not on board 15-minute prior to departure, subject to seat.
What do I use to get points? I fly a lot. No, so United is actually really good. But by the way, like these point guys, like it's a full-time job, like trying to figure out how to like optimize points. But if you make it to the highest tier on United, you actually get around 10 free upgrades from economy into business on any flight already late. Like I could be flying like from here to say Singapore, and it's like an 18-hour flight, and I get 10 of these upgrades from economy into business if there are seats. So sometimes they wait till like you're bored, like you're boarding the flight, and then they're like, oh, you're next on the list, there's a seat, so you can go. So that's convenient, but you do have to, but in order to get these 10 per year upgrades on United, you need to spend over $15,000 on air travel, and you have to fly like 20 times or something, or like 35 times. So and I fly 35 times on United. So United, it has the best upgrades though, because these other airlines like American Airlines, I think I'd have to fly like 90 times and spend way more money to get their highest tier, and I get a lot less for that than with United by only spending like 15 grand and only flying 30 times. All right, let's do charts. Got about 15 minutes before the flight boards. So we've rebounded a little bit, and that's great. So what am I looking for on this weekly candle? The most important part of this weekly candle is where do we close in relation to the middle of the candle? So the range of the candle is $8,500. So if we go up more than $4,500, that would be bullish momentum into next week. Now, in a perfect world, this candle tomorrow will close somewhere around 31,000, but not too much higher than 31,000. I actually don't want to see this candle go all the way up. And the reason I don't want to see it go all the way up is because I want to see an established lower weekly close. Because if there's an established lower weekly close, then the divergence also established.
The final 40 announcement, flight number 4528, service to State College, aging passenger lower.
I take that
Alexander,
back. There is no
Nicoletta,
divergence on the RSI.
If you're in the area, please come to C111 to board your flight.
And there's actually no divergence in the MACD, and there's no divergence in the CMF. But as you can see, the CMF is off a little bit. Like this week is not as bad as the CMF had it displayed earlier. I'm actually not sure what all the commotion is. So the divergence must have been taking place on like a daily chart or something, but not the weekly chart. But I want to see these lower closes. I want to see a lower close established. I want to see a clear low close. I think that sets us up better for a potential significant reversal. Here's our allocation. We entered a bullish allocation for a trade, and that is still doing pretty well. Okay, we are up. The price is still very depressed against the moving averages, and it is in a bearish posture. But let's see what happens going into next candle. We have 2 days to go on current candle. So the weekly candle will start, and this candle will still be ongoing. So we'll see where that goes. Daily chart. This was looking bad, but remember what I said. If this morning's video, this is really, really good for the trade, because if we, this is already Sunday's candle, and if this Sunday's candle closes anywhere above $30,000, I would comfortably have a stop loss right there. This stop loss is below 28,500. That is this is a very clean stop loss, because if Monday's candle or any candle after Monday, not counting current candle, okay, Sunday's candle is different. Sunday's candle could be a wild card, which is why this line doesn't actually sit there yet. But I have a good feeling about Sunday. I don't think it's going to be a very volatile day. For some people, Sunday already started. So as long as Monday's candle or any candle after Monday starts trading below today's candle's low, that tells me that we're going to go significantly lower. And if we go significantly higher, then we can start raising that stop loss, for a guaranteed profitable trade. All right, before I go on, guys, you know what time it is. It is shilling time of the financial summit in the Dominican Republic. I stupidly mentioned the fact that the next event is going to be in Bali, and now people are messaging me. It's like, oh, I want to go to Bali. I want to go to Bali. Guys, come to DR. Bali's gonna sell out quick. But come to DR. I mean, this one is coming up in August. Bali is not going to be till the very end of the year, but Bali is going to be great. I almost don't want to put it up for sale yet, because like when you see pictures of that resort, it's going to be like, holy shit. But the Dominican Republic's got a castle. These are, by the way, the pictures from the Dominican Republic resort up there and down here. I mean, someone already got this room, and someone already got this room, and yeah, it's totally sick for the event that we're organizing in the Dominican Republic. So come and join us if finance and trading is interesting to you. Okay. Oh, and thank you for subscribing. We are now up to 168 subscribers on the Financial Summit channel. I uploaded one more video today. This is our testimonial video from 2019 Bali. It's just a combination of these videos. It's just better to just, pick out the best 10 minutes and give you a cool slideshow of the resort that we had last time in Bali. This is our testimonials from Dubai, and this is our promo video with footage from Dubai. We didn't do any footage in the, this was our pilot event, and it was so good that we're doing more. But yeah, but check out the YouTube channel. Please subscribe. We really need 1,000 subscribers in order to stop the ads that YouTube is shoving down our throats. We don't want to put ads on these videos, but until we get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 minutes watched, there's nothing we can do. We can't stop YouTube from sticking ads on our videos. All right, so this looks very good. This is our 4-hour chart. We can now establish a trend line. I hate drawing a trend line with only 2 points, but these are very, very clean. And now we just have one more thing we really need to do. We need to get over this hump. We need to break this swing high. And if we break this swing high, it's going to be awesome because we're very likely to then break this moving average. And guess what? Once we break this zone, there's absolutely no resistance until we get to the $34,500 area, and most likely all the way to the long-term moving average of a 4-hour. Now, I am very, very concerned about this area of $36,000. Between 36 and 37 is very, very concerning to me. Dexion, I see a question about the CME gap at 24,000. I really couldn't care less. I really don't care about CME gaps, and I never did. Gonna need the vaccine for Bali? No, you actually don't. You don't need a vaccine for Bali. Last I checked, I think, because you can quarantine for 5 days. But guess what? We're taking over the entire resort. So you being at the financial summit in Bali would count as quarantine. So you're all set. All right, so that's our current look. Today was Saturday. GBTC didn't trade. We'll talk about it on Monday. Well, oil didn't trade either. I remain bullish on oil. I remain very skeptical on gold now. There goes the gold bullishness. And let's see where the market opens. The stock market opening on Monday is going to be interesting. Now, I will be streaming from, I'm going to be at a conference on Monday. So because of that, I'm going to be streaming way early in the day. So I'm not going to know what the market did when I'm doing the stream. And then I'll be at AIM Summit. And after that, I'm going up to Scotland, guys. All right, you guys know my view on the stock market. I don't know how and why it's going to reverse, but I do believe it's going to reverse. This is the British pound. Well, good thing I'm going there now and not back in May. I get to save 20%, which is great. Well, nothing traded over the weekend, right? So I'll, since they're not boarding my flight yet, they're gonna board in 10 minutes, but the flight crew just showed up. So I doubt they'll start on time, but we'll see. Still waiting for my upgrade. Let me see. Man, I've been glued to my phone all day because like business was fully booked all day. And then suddenly like 4 people canceled their flights, at least according to my phone. Come on. I see 3 empty seats in business and I'm next in line for an upgrade. So I'm like glued to my phone watching it. Yeah, Mr. Novogratz has a Luna tattoo. I have no idea what he's gonna do with that. Man, what a clown show that project was. All right, guys. Come on, fire away questions. I'm just chilling with you guys. When am I gonna get hitched? What does hitched mean? Does that mean married? I'm not sure. Yeah, I see the person at the desk. I mean, like, since I'm actually in line for an upgrade, I don't think they'll be able to do anything. I think it's an automated system. All right, come on. Someone's got to have questions. Someone says yes, married. I don't know what, but my mom keeps asking me the same exact thing, like every day. What's my percent that we see under 15,000? That percent is incredibly low, guys. It's really low. If you ask me under 20,000, that percent is significantly higher. I would give it maybe a 40% chance we can go under 20, but under 15, I'm gonna give that maybe a 15% chance. Like, I think there's a huge difference between 20 going under 20 and going under 15. Is the bottom confirmed? No, it's not. The one thing we can confirm is, I mean, this is confirmed as a bounce. It's already confirmed as a bounce, daily chart, right? And I think this bounce will take us all the way into the mid-30s. But can we reverse at this combination of the area of the breakdown? And it's up to you, to decide where the breakdown was. You can go as high as the MRI support line at 37.5 for the breakdown. You can go right here with the red star candle of the MRI indicator as the area of the breakdown. Now you're at 36.5. Or you can be, all the way out here as the area of the breakdown being 35,000. It's really up to you. I'm gonna split the middle here. I'm gonna use 36.5 as the area of the breakdown. And if the price makes it all the way back to the area of the breakdown, this is monster resistance along with the 50-period moving average that's actually flying there in a hurry, okay? So to me, this is a monster area of resistance. And I haven't altered this arrow yet because I think we can go up here and then do this, right? Like, we're not out of the woods yet. This is still a very, very likely possibility. Still a very likely possibility, right? So we cannot confirm that this low is the low because this low took place in the middle of nowhere. We still had room to the 200 week moving average. We had room to the prior swing high, and we had room to the MRI support line. So if it hit even this one, if we had fallen just under 22, and now we're sitting at 30, I would be a lot more confident that the ultimate low is in. But that didn't happen. So what are my chances this is the low and we're never ever going below 25,000 again? I would give that about a 45 to 48% chance. So that means I am still leaning towards new lows, slightly leaning towards new lows, right? Like 52 versus 48%, leaning towards new lows. But if we can break above this area here of 40,000, then this probability of a 48% chance that the low is in goes to approximately 70 to 75% chance that the low is in. That's the best I can answer that question. Don't you think Bitcoin tries to challenge the low one more time, typically a shakeout? It doesn't seem to be impulsive enough. Yeah, I agree. I vaguely agree. Best way to gift Bitcoin from my HODL without giving away my balance? Well, move it to another hodl. Can you recommend an exchange for Canadians to buy Bitcoin? I think Swan works with Canadians. Check with Swan. Speaking of Swan, I do have their affiliate link. I never ever promote it. If you're going to use Swan, go to Tone Vays affiliate page and click on Swan right there. Also, if you're on the Tone Vays website, I still haven't filled out the rest of my plans, but I'll be in Turkey, I'll be in Scotland. I might even go to Prague, right after the UK. And in products and services, I have the on-demand videos, and I lowered the price of the MRI, guys.
You have a confirmed this like this to see immediately to get my C86. Doors are closing in 2 minutes.
I lowered the price of the MRI and I kind of kept it. I know it says 1,000 right here, but it's half price that. I need to change the website. It's $500 now. A friend wanted to buy it. I said I'll lower the price, and I just left it. So there it is, $500, half price of what it used to be. The world's going into inflation, but not my services. There, you guys get a discount. So enjoy while it lasts. And the on-demand videos, I think they're pretty cheap, so enjoy those as well. Seems like the mempool is filling up. Yeah, there's a bunch of spam in the mempool, but I think it's gonna clear out. Like, I'm not that concerned about the mempool. I mean, I don't know. Look, on-chain analysis is great, but I'm going to stick to what I know best, which is price and volume action. If you like freedom, England and Scotland is not for you. Well, I'm only staying there a week, guys. This is why I'm all over Mexico, Panama, and Brazil now. Man, I had a great time in Brazil. I hope I have a bunch of Brazilian viewers now. I think I picked up a few. Brazil is great. I plan to spend a month there next year. Hopefully go like pet an anaconda or something in the Amazon. Thoughts on ARK Invest? Not really. Like if there's one index that can't get anything right, that's pretty much ARK Invest.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh God!
And welcome to United
Like a hyperwave.
Airlines Flight 146 to London Heathrow.
Oh, that's my
We
flight.
are looking forward to having you on the flight today. If
Come
you
on,
have
are they gonna
any
give me my upgrade or
questions
what?
about this flight
killing me.
or the boarding process, please
Killing
feel
me.
free to approach a customer service agent, and we will be happy to help. We expect to begin boarding soon. For those of you who would like to enjoy,
I think I'm gonna go and talk to them,
personal
see if they can
during the flight,
bump me up.
please download or
Come to Australia. Oh man, I just pissed off a bunch of Australians in a group chat because they asked me if I want to come to Australia, and I'm like, I'm never going to that country again. And they weren't very happy. And then I mentioned, but hey, if you guys want to see me, come to the Bali Financial Summit. It's the closest I can get to Australia. No, I'm sorry. I got after what I saw during the lockdowns, I don't want to support Australia with my money. Australia. Sorry, guys. You're going in the wrong direction.
Go into the cargo area of the aircraft. Batteries and smart bags.
Jonathan Wolf, if you did buy some awesome land in Mexico with the waterfall, I am very interested. in hanging out with
They
you
bring
next time I go to
one
Mexico.
carry-out bag and one personal item with them on board. Once
Nope.
again, our
Sorry,
government
guys, no Canada either.
wear a face
There are a
covering
couple of
over
countries that I really
at all
don't
times,
want to go to again.
including while
New
on
Zealand,
board.
Australia, Canada,
Children
Singapore, and Hong Kong. And Singapore and Hong Kong were my top 5 favorite countries prior to the pandemic.
Travel privileges on future.
It's going to be really hard not to go to Hong Kong.
If you do not
Sorry,
have face coverings
No,
on flight,
both Hong Kong and
come
Singapore.
see me at the podium for a mask, face shield worn without a face covering, and vented face masks are not allowed.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go find out if I can get that upgrade. Oh, never mind. Wait, why am I off that list? That's weird. Oh no, I'm back on it. Okay. All right, let me. I'm gonna go have a chat with the front desk. Thanks for watching, guys. Come to the Dominican Republic. It'll be so much fun. And I will see you all tomorrow from the UK. Bye, guys. Jonathan, you emailed me recently. Shit, I get so much email, man. You gotta DM me somehow. Do you know how to DM me on Telegram? Just don't DM a scammer. I'll check my email. Can you just put Mexico land waterfall in the title of your email and like email me one more time? I'm so bad with email. All right. Bye, guys.